such a heavy club, and I'm alive again, high again. I'm counting the minutes till we all are finished with our lives again. Bye, my friend, I'm high again, high again, high again. Watching my dreams working heavy machines, and it's not right again to be high again. I'm taking my cues from places I've been to, and it's all right again. I pretend I'm high again. All right, everybody. Happy New Year. I know I'm almost a month late, but it's still January, so it still counts. Yeah, thanks for coming in and watching this video. That was Counting the Minutes from our album Wind City Airport. And I thought I'd play it on this brand new Fender Rhodes that I got delivered a few weeks ago. I ordered it over a half year ago, and it just took a long time for the factory to make it because it's brand new. And it also was a bitch to get through customs. But it's finally here, and it sounds amazing. And yeah, it's inspiring me to practice piano more. So I thought the first video I'll do for 2026 will be on this Fender Rhodes. So I hope you liked it. Yeah, I'm planning to do a few more videos in this room because it's just a pain to lug equipment around. And I just, yeah, thought I'd do a few videos just in here. So instead of a beautiful countryside background, you get a blank white background. But yeah, the next video I do is going to be a life update video. And I'm going to be talking about the house project I'm doing, as well as a few other things that I have in the works. So I hope you stick around for that. But until then, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Peace.